गजाननं भूतगणातिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो नमाम्यहम्। आर्तानामार्तिहन्तारं भीतानां भयनाशनं द्विषतां कालदण्डं तं रामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं। गोष्पदीकृतवाणीशं मटकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। एवं बहुविधां चिन्तां चिन्तयित्वा महाकविः संश्रवे मधुरं वाक्यं वैदेह्या व्याजार। Already say. राजा दशरथो नाम रथकुञ्जरवाजिमान् पुण्यशीलो महाकीर्तिरिक्ष्वाकूणां महायशाः। It doesn't immediately jump in with the name Rama. He starts with Dasharatha. It's a very, very wise opening. Raja Dasharatho Nama. There was a king of great renown, Dasharatha, Rathakunjaravajiman, who was rich with chariots and elephants and horses. Some Punyashilo. He was reputed for the purity of his conduct, for his straightforwardness. Mahakirti, well known, great fame. Ikshvakuna Mahayasha. Of the Ikshvaku dynasty. Rajarshinam Gunashrestha Tapasa Charshibhesama. Among the Raja Rishis, his qualities were the greatest. And in sheer tapasya, in his austerity, he was equal to any Rishi. Chakravarti Kule Jata Purandara Samobale. He was born in the lineage of Chakravarti, imperial lineage. And in strength, he was equal of the conqueror of the citadel, Indra. Ahimsarati rakshudro grini satyaparakrama mukhyachekshvaku vamshasya lakshmivan lakshmivardhana. Ahimsarati. He was extremely attached to non-violence. Akshudro. There was nothing which was mean about him. Grini is compassionate. Satyaparakrama, truth was his valor. Now he was the chief of Ikshvakus, Lakshmivan, Lakshmivardhana. He was prosperous himself and he was the prosperer of his race. पार्थिवव्यञ्जनैर्युक्तः पृथुश्री पार्थिवर्षभः पृथिव्यां चतुरन्तायां विश्रुतः सुखदः सुखी. He had all the marks of the royalty. He was head and shoulders above every other king. He was mighty in his magnificence. He was Chaturantaya. Prithiviyam Chaturantayam Vishruta. In all four corners of the world, his fame was held in respect. He was Sukha, Sukhada. Vishwata, Sukada, Sukhi. He was a happy man and he used to spread happiness. He used to give you happiness. Take. Sukada. Done. Now. तस्य पुत्रः प्रियो ज्येष्ठस्ताराधिपतिभाननः रामो नाम विशेषज्ञः श्रेष्ठ सर्वधनुष्मताम्. His dear son, eldest, whose face is like the full moon, of name Rama, the foremost of archers, someone who could recognize excellence wherever it may be found. रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य च परन्तपः. He is somebody who protected his own dharma. He protects the dharma of his people. He protects the dharma of the entire Jivaloka. All creatures, not human beings alone. All the world from peril he protects. He is the bulwark of dharma. तस्य सत्याभिसन्दस्य वृद्धस्य वचनात् पितुः सभार्य सहज भ्रात्रा वीरः प्रव्राजितो वनम्. By the command of his elderly father, his father who was staunch in his devotion to the truth, Dasharatha was a Satyasanta. Such was his strong devotion to the truth that Rama did not want to make him be charged with the accusation of one untruth. That because of the word, by command of his elderly father was devoted to the truth, the heroic one, Rama, went into exile in the forest along with his wife and his brother. तेन तत्र महारण्ये मृगयां परिधावता राक्षसा निहता शूरा बहवः कामरूपिणः. He and his brother went hunting in the great forest and they slew many rakshasas. These rakshasas were very valiant and they could take any form at will. Such rakshasas they slew. जलस्थानवदं श्रुत्वा तौ च खरदूषणौ ततस्तुमशापहृता जानकी रावणेन तु वञ्चयित्वा वने रामं मृगरूपेण मायया. Gravely annoyed by the destruction of Janasthana and the slaying of Khara and Dushana, Ravana carried off Janaki, deceiving Rama by a piece of trickery, Vanchayitva. By a piece of trickery which employed a phantom deer, an illusion. Deer of illusion. Samargamanastham devim Ramasitamananditam Asasada vane mitram Sugrivam nama vanaram. Searching for this blameless lady, Rama secured the friendship of the ape Sugriva in the forest. Now until now the story she knows. Now this verse introduces the next part which she doesn't know. 10 verses over. Dasharatha introduced. Rama done. Up to Ravana's kidnapping all done. 10 verses. 11th he says, Rama met Sugriva, the ape. Because he is making a setting for introducing himself. ततस्सवालिनं मत्वा रामः परपुरञ्जयः प्रायच्छत् कपिराज्यं तत् सुग्रीवाय महाबलः. Slaying Vali the strong, Rama conferred the kingdom of the apes to Sugriva. Sugrivenapi विसन्दिष्टा हरयः कामरूपिणः दिक्षु सर्वासु तां देवीं विचिन्वन्ति सहस्रशः. Thousands of apes who can take any form at will have been assigned by Sugriva in all directions to search for Sita. Under the orders of Sugriva, they are combing every part of the earth. Aham sampati vachana chatarojanamayam asya heto vishalakshya sagaram vegavan prutah. And I, guided by the words of Sampati, have swiftly flown over 100 yojanas of the wide sea for the sake of the clarity of wide eyes. Yatha rupam yatha varna yatha lakshmivatim cha nishchitam ashrausham ragavasyam seyamasahi maya. Yatha rupam, that form, the way I was told it would be, her form. Her complexion, the way I was told it will be. Her radiant beauty, as I was told, described to me, which all I heard from Rama. I have found her here. Having said this, he fell silent. 15 verses. Nothing long, not one verse less than it should be. He has conveyed what is to be conveyed. He's changed. Everything. He has not revealed himself yet. He just says this, I have found it here, and he falls silent. And Janaki, who heard that, was amazed beyond words. Vismayam agata. Tatassa vakkadeshanta sukeshi kesha samvrutam unnamya vadanam bhirushim shubhavakshamayikshata. She had curly hair, beautiful hair, and that hair was falling all over her face. She was amazed beyond this, hearing all this, and she looked at the tree. Where did this come from? Nishamya Sita Vasanam Kapesha Dishascha Sarvaha Pradishascha Vikshya Swayam Praharsha Paramam Jagama Sarvatmana Rama Manusmaranti. Being totally absorbed in the thoughts of Rama, who is Sarvatma. She heard what the ape had said. She heard something, and she was looking in every direction in the tree. She was transported with joy on hearing whatever, but where did this come from? Not with the tree. And then she saw. Sativyurdvam cha tatapyadastha nirikshamana tamachintya buddhim dadarsha pingadipatera matyam vatatmajam suryamivodayastham. Looking all around, then up and down, she spotted. She saw Vatatmaja, the son of Vayu Bhagavan. Pingadipate Ramatyam, the minister of the king of apes. Perched up in the tree, he looked like the rising sun.